Today I'm making trim for the ceiling at my camp, and oh my god, trim is so expensive when you go to buy wood, pine, trim, whatever. So I just use 2x6s and I'm ripping them on the table saw here, and then I run them through the router. So all I'm doing is taking a kind of a nice round cut out of these to make it look nice. And I'm probably going to do one more run through with a smaller bit down the edges to refine it. But in any case, I end up with, depending how big I make them, 24 or 32 feet of trim from one $5 or $6 2x6. Obviously, I select some nice ones that aren't all messed up, but very cheap way to do it. So I'm going to continue on here. I'm going to take this 2x6 and rip it through, and we'll cut another piece off of here. So I'm going to turn the vacuum on and then this table saw. And there we go. I just ripped a nice square piece, which is actually 1 7/16 by 1 7/16. That's the dimension I'm using. I have some pretty big gaps to cover. So anyway, we'll get those cut up, and the next step will be to route them. So here's my router table. Now, these do not have to be expensive. This entire router table with the router was on sale at Canadian Tire a couple of years ago. I think I spent about $150 or $60 in it. The table and the router came. You can't go wrong with that. In any case, it's paid for itself many times over. Just making this trim will pay for itself 3 times over. So anyway, I have lots of router bits, smaller ones that I've got in sets. I needed something bigger. So this is kind of a complete half round router bit. And I've got the height and the depth set from the fence to cut that nice round gouge out of my board here. So I'm going to run that through. Okay, so let's go. We'll turn the vacuum on and get going here. So there we go, another piece cut. Anyway, it's simple, just takes a little bit of time. All the trim is made. I've routed them all. I've sanded them all just with an orbital sander. It took a couple hours to sand them all. And I'm going to paint them. So I got my spray gun ready. I've thinned the paint. It's latex primer I'm putting on first. So we're going to give it a shot. So there we go. It's all primed and ready to go. If you found this useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Thanks.